Hello guys, I'm Fantastic Gamer, and in this video I will show you my favorite YouTube channel, and it's called PewDiePie. You already know for him, I think so. But he's very funny, he swears a lot, but if you love it, if you think this very funny, yes, it's funny, and if you want to then watch him and subscribe him, he has 31 million subscribers, I think so. He uploads rage games, walkthrough games, horror games, funny games, and he has a lot of funny videos. He started YouTube like 4 years ago, and you must watch him. He's very funny. And guys, that is all for this video. Bye bye.